Hi Chick Babes, Fur Babies, and Lux Babes. So we are going to do a what? Temu unboxing. A Temu unboxing. Okay, so let's see what this is. I'm going to make sure that they deliver everything they say they deliver, y'all. But I ordered some cute stuff. I ordered some cute stuff. Real cute stuff. So y'all can go back and take a look at my video. My last video, I did a clean out of my closet because I'm putting these things in here. Oh yeah. Okay. So some of these packages have like 3 to 6 items in them. Okay, look, this is so cute. Okay, this came in here, this one. 2, let's see what's in here. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'm checking everything out of here. So let's see what we got. Y'all, this is so cute. This is so cute. This is so cute. Y'all know the little handbags. The little handbags is in style. And this is a real small one. But it's cute. Y'all, I wonder if my cell phone could fit in here. It's cute, but y'all, my cell phone can't fit in here. My 14 Pro Max cannot fit in here. It cannot. But oh well, unless I could squeeze, we'll see. But this is so cute. This is so cute. I love it. This is so cute. It is. This I could put, and then again, we'll see. We'll do a fit. We'll do a fit video. A try-on video. Okay, so this is cute. Okay. And it has the string so you can wear it however you like a crossbody. I like that. I like that. I like the yellow. I like the yellow. Let's make sure it is. We have to make sure it's closed, so you turn it. Let's see. You turn it, then it closes. I'm gonna have to press like all the way to close it. There we go, y'all. There we go. We got it. We got it. Okay, so it's cute. It's very cute. Very cute. That's very cute. I think it's very cute. Okay, so then I got a few pieces of jewelry. Okay, this is the toe ring, y'all. And this toe ring is for the big toe. You know, very seldom do you see toe rings for the big toe. So I had to get this. I had to get it, y'all. So I got one for each toe. Okay. 18 karat gold. Plated. So it's not going to turn. Okay, it's not going to turn at all. Yes, I'm excited. So this is the other one. It looks like it's going to rain. It needs to rain because it needs to cool off out there. It's like 100 degrees. I tell you, it's hot out there. And yesterday, y'all, I had to fix my air conditioner. So I'm going to do a video on how to do home repairs. Yeah. Okay, so here's the other one. I love it. And I always clean my jewelry before I put it on. You can use ivory soap is good to clean your jewelry. You know, get like the negative energy off it. Okay. That's cute. Okay, and yes, it's raining just a little bit. That's good. It'll cool off a little bit, I guess. But y'all know, after it rains, it gets all muggy. Muggy. We need some rain. Okay. Okay, y'all, this anklet. It's cute. 18 karat gold. 18 karat gold. Oh, I love this. I love it. And so, of course, you can adjust it to your liking. Okay, because it has to adjust it however you need to. I got 2 of these. Of course, one for each ankle. I love Temu, and if you are questioning the quality of Temu, everything comes from China. Everything. So you don't have to question the quality. Everything comes from China. I think Temu and Shein is running neck to neck. What do y'all think? I'm gonna do a video on that. Temu versus Shein. I think with Temu, as a matter of fact, I haven't ordered from Shein in a minute. But they're running neck to neck. Okay, so that's the other one. Okay, so we got it. So this will be my next Temu unboxing video. So y'all tell me what y'all think about these cute little items in this unboxing video. I think that my 14 Pro Max may be able to fit in here. You know, when you're buying new things, you have to loosen them up. So once I loosen this up a little bit, you know, stretch it out, I think it may be able to. But this is so cute. I know, of course, my car keys and my little small Victoria's Secrets credit card holder will fit in here most definitely. But yes, I'm gonna be definitely also trying to put myself on it. But it is so cute. It is so cute. Okay, y'all, thank y'all for tuning into this video. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos.